Hey, so in this video, learn how you can design your own logo using the power of artificial intelligence in just 30 seconds. And I'll show you how in a few, but before I do that, I would love it if you could consider subscribing to my YouTube channel where each week I'll be uploading new videos on a variety of different topics. So thanks for your consideration, and now let's get to the video. So the website is looka.com. It will not only allow you to create your own logo, but also, if you want, download your own brand kit. So what I'm going to do first is enter my company name. Next, I need to select my industry. From here, I can select a number of different logos that I think look good. Next, I can select some colors and add a slogan. The next step is to pick some symbols. And in just a few seconds, Looka will automatically generate some ideas for a logo. If I find one that I like, I can select it and customize that logo. So I think this looks good. Now, if I want, I can sign up and I can download the brand kit. When I do this, I will have to purchase one of these plans that you see on the screen. But my other option is either to take this logo, maybe I can take a screenshot of it, or I can create this logo in another program and just sort of use Looka for inspiration. So the website is Looka. You can find it at looka.com, whether you want to use it to create your own logo or just to get ideas for a future brand. So I hope this video has been helpful. If you have questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section. I'm going to leave you with a few videos that I think you'll enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.